Good day everyone. I am Maui and I will be going to impersonate one of the famous theorists in the history of psychology, none other than Carl Rogers. So I will be talking about his person-centered theory. Okay, let's start. My person-centered theory. If you are a person that usually helps other people in terms of mental health support, this theory is very applicable and useful in those such kind of situations. We can be able to help other people using this theory. One of the basic assumptions of my person-centered theory is I believe that all things here on earth, whether it's organic or inorganic, there's a possibility or tendency to evolve from a simple form to a more complex form. And we can able to see that changing into our nature. For example, the protons, the electrons, and the neutron. If we combine these three, we can create an element and so on until it becomes a multicellular organism. And that organism will become animals, and those animals will be aware that they are alive, and as time goes by, they will develop the anxiety of them being dead. And I call that assumption as the formative tendency from a single cell down to the multicellular organisms. I believe organisms like plants, animals, as human, have the ability or the tendency to fulfill our own potential, and I call that actualizing tendency. For examples, we humans have the tendency to develop or fulfill our full potential, and it is our only motivation in life. That's why we are waking up every day. It is for us to fulfill our dreams and desire in life. After our birth, while we are getting older, following formative tendency, so eventually we can create awareness, and that awareness becomes our sense of self, and I call that the self-concept. Our self-concept are supposed to be congruent or the same with the self we have as a organisms, and I call that organismic self. If our organic self and the self-concept are congruent, our development of our personality will be healthy because we are aware of who we are. Thank you.